All right, you probably want to see the other towel bars I installed and the toilet paper holder. Yeah, renovation in progress. Here's one I put in right there on the sheetrock wall. And then here's the toilet, got the toilet paper holder there, and then I got a towel bar there. Now, if you didn't have a toilet paper holder there, you could then measure up 3 feet and then 5 feet and get a stacked one, you know, so you have 2 towel rods up there. But because this toilet paper holder's here, I could only put 1 rod there. I was going to put a rod up against this wall, but this sheetrock's glued right over the top of concrete block wall, so I couldn't put it there, you know. So my thought initially was to put 2 towel bars on this wall, but then I forgot about the toilet paper holder. I always want to call it the paper towel holder. So I put the other towel rod here next to the washer and dryer in this little utility area. Okay, now the hardest part of this project, what is it anyways, Joe? Well, let me tell you. The little set screws underneath here, those little fine set screws, they need to go in almost flush. If not, sometimes they go inside the hole just a little bit. If they're sticking out and you think it's tight, chances are the little bracket that you've got installed on the sheetrock wall, you've got it pressed in there, dimpled in too tight. So you've got to loosen up the bottom just a hair to get that screw to squeeze up and sneak up behind there. Okay, that's the most important part of your project, because if those screws aren't tight and you think they're tight and they're sticking out, chances are the first few times that you use the towel bar, when you pull a towel off, maybe this whole thing pops right off the wall. Okay, so remember that. All right, that looks nice. I guess we can cross that one off our list. Well, I gotta go for now, but I'll be back with more videos.